The following introduces some commonly used test functions of spectrum test software. Some of its how-tos. First, let's introduce one of the transmission tests. First we see that. Open the spectrum test software and click to find the spectrometer. The connection is now normal. After normal operation, we need to adjust its integration time to an appropriate size before doing any test. Then let's test it first. We can see this spectrogram. Spectral curve. Now on a screen. A mid-range location. What about the integration time? It is a suitable integration time. After the integration time is adjusted, let's not touch it anymore. Next we have to switch this. Before testing. Then in the menu bar. Then click on Test Mode. What about before the transmission test? It is necessary to perform the operation of cutting out the background and making a meal pen. Background picking refers to removing background light or dark noise. To make a meal pen is to put the meal pen object into it, such as air, clean water. 100% a test. Then dig out the background before testing. Just do it once. That's it. Cut out the background before turning off your light source. Just do it once. You can make a reference based on your testing situation. Go over and over again. Then we were in the original spectral mode. Adjusted integration time. Let's test it here. A spectral table for this transmission mode. A spectrum table in the middle. Its vertical axis shows. It's not an AD energy value. It is displayed as a percentage. At this time it is displayed. It is its transmittance. A percentage. Percentage of green through. Then before we test. A background buckle is required. What about the background? Just turn off your light source. Keep your surroundings in a dark environment. Turn on the light source. Make a meal pen. Click again and click Single Test. One of your spectral curves. It will become a parallel curve. What if your curves are more hairy? Not too smooth. At this time you can adjust your average number and your smoothing number. The average number of times allows you to average your measurement data multiple times before testing it. This is a more accurate value. Adjusting the smoothing times can make your spectral curve look more different. So let's adjust it. The average is adjusted to 5. At this time we are testing in a single. Its curve will become very smooth. What about this time? Because it is above 100%. It's a reference. That doesn't look very convenient. We can take it as a vertical axis. Tune it up again. Starting vertical axis 0. This is 100%. Then we can adjust it to 120. At this time, you can see about 100%. It's over 99 now. Of course, our optical training instrument. It's 1. Of course, I didn't use the standard lamp to calibrate it. Just use natural light. so the display on the front and back is not quite right. What about this? Completed bitting. Finished cutting out the background. After finishing the meal pen. This way you have to ensure that its spectral curve level value at a position of about 100%. Then this time, you can then put in your sample and test it. It's horizontal line, not a parallel state. Then we can click again for reference. Then click on a single test, or make a new reference. Make your horizontal line more parallel. Then you can put your sample in for testing at this time.